Today's episode is 70 reacts to Tom's snore gets replaced with number block 83 snore, but he destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 70 again. I'm going to react to Tom's snore gets replaced with number block 83's snore, but I can't take it anymore with too many replacement requests. But anyways, let's nuke it.
Like a number block 83.
Oh my god. How dare you replace Tom's snore with number block 83's snore. That's it. I'm going to drop a nuke on you. Yeah, take that. That's what you get, you little vid. Well, the screen turned black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 211.